Oh Lord, these are huge. These are huge. Look at that one there. Oh! Got the windows down, maybe. That could smash through the window. No. Keep that open.
Like that, yeah.
Oh well. I'll take my...
Car's getting it again.
I know. I don't believe that, that's twice. Look at the size of that. Oh, there's a car coming in as well. Oh, he's moving his there.
Oh, good God.
Yeah, we'll get it.
That's just really...
It's happening again.
It really is.
I know. I don't believe it's happening again. My car's been lammed. Not again. Oh, see that big dent? I don't believe this is happening again. That's his car. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at the size of them. Oh, oh no. I don't believe it.
Oh, that was a big whopper. Oh!
This is nuts. I don't believe this is happening again. How could it happen again? No wonder people have already had their cars all fixed.
And then it's again, another.
This is a one in a lifetime, right? But it's happened twice in a month. This car's got it as well. Oh dear. They seem to be attracted to my car.
Just shouting. Some shit.
Some shout for help. Go have a look at it.
I'm not gonna...
That's lovely, let's look at this one.
He's better to stay in the car, you know.
Well, he's away.
Is he out?
Ah, he's run away.
Because I mean, if they get cover you in that for this.
Well, no, that could seriously hurt you. Oh well. I think there's more than 5 bumps in my car now anyway.
There's nothing you can do, really. I mean, you don't have a garage to put the car in.
Your car's in the garage.
Apart from the one that we've got, and that's it.
Get size of some of these, but... Oh.
Have your car could be...
I know, your car would be wrecked now. That's it. Hopefully that's the worst of it. The car's been well damaged. I can see loads of new bumps in it, just at the back there, see right with the glass. Oh well, there we go.